Welcome to this tutorial on how to bypass admin rights while installing an application on a standard user account. Please note, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Unauthorized access to systems without permission is illegal and unethical. Let's get started. Typically, when you try to install an application on a standard user account, you're prompted for an administrator password. This can be a barrier if you don't have access to admin credentials. In this video, we'll explore a method to bypass this restriction. One way to bypass admin rights is by using a portable version of the application, if available. Portable apps don't require installation and can run directly from a folder. Search online for a portable version of the application you need. Once downloaded, extract the files into the install folder. Now you can use the application without any restrictions. Another method involves creating a batch file to bypass the installation restriction. Open Notepad and save the file with .bat extension. Make sure the .bat file and the application that need to be installed both are in same directory. Now edit the .bat file in Notepad and enter following commands. Set __compat_layer runasinvoker start file name .exe. Here file name can be the any name of file application needs to be installed. Now save the file and close the Notepad. Now run this .bat file with double-click, and it will run the application automatically. Remember, these methods are intended for legitimate use, such as when you have permission but lack the credentials at the moment. Always respect system security protocols and policies. If you're trying to install software on a work or school computer, it's best to contact your IT department for assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay safe and ethical.